Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the fifth video tutorial on Filmora 9. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to apply elements in your videos. So let's get started. First of all, let's import our videos. I am going to use this video. Let's drag this down in workspace. Let's play this video without any editing. To add any element, first go to element option. As you can see, Filmora 9 provides you more than 190 options in element, and you have a wide range of categories as well. Let's start with love. You have around 6 options here, so let me apply this one first. By just clicking on this element, you will get these options on your workspace. Okay, so let's play this. Let's try some pets. Okay, it's look cute. Let me delete the previous one first. Drag it down. Okay, it was not downloaded, so it is downloading. So if you want to know that your element is downloaded already, or you want to download it now, so if arrow is present there, that means you need to download it. If there is no arrow, then it is already there, so you can directly use. Okay, so after applying this, let's try this video. You can change many properties there as well. Double click on it, you will get those options. You can drag this emoji, you can change the size here, then put it anywhere you want. You can change the time period of it as well. So there's a lot to do here. Okay, let's play it now. For tutorials, there are 64 different options for you, so I think that's pretty good options. You can go for pages, hand drawn as well. You got a lot of options in element. You can try a lot of things by your own. I think that's enough for this video. If you found this video useful, then comment on this video and don't forget to like. And if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.